Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we are going to evaluate 6 minus x over 4 plus x if x is given to us. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to e first. Now I will begin with x. Cube root 32. I can write cube root 8 times 4 plus cube root 8 times 9 over cube root 4 plus cube root 9 plus cube root 6. Now we know that cube root 8 is 2. So I can write x will be equal to 2 times this cube root 8 will give us 2 here. It will come out as 2. So 2 times cube root 4 plus 2 times cube root 9 over cube root 4 plus cube root 9 plus cube root 6. Now I will consider our expression also. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1, then we have minus x. Denominator 4, we can write 5 minus 1, then we have plus x. So expression E we can write 5 minus of x minus 1. So 5 minus x plus 1. So still it is 6 minus x. Denominator we can write 5 plus x minus 1. Now we have x minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. So I will consider x minus 1 equal to y. So our required expression will become 5 minus y over 5 plus y. This is we are going to find out. Now we have to calculate y. Y is x minus 1. So I will write here y will be equal to x minus 1. Let's calculate first. Y equal to x minus 1. X is 2 cube root 4 plus 2 times cube root 9 over cube root 4 plus cube root 9 plus cube root 6. This is our x. Then we have to subtract 1. Now I will take LCM. So I will write common denominator cube root 4 plus cube root 9 plus cube root 6. In numerator we will write 2 times cube root 4 plus 2 times cube root 9, then minus cube root 4 minus cube root 9 minus cube root 6. Now 2 times cube root 4 minus cube root 4. I will write here cube root 4. 2 cube root 9 minus cube root 9. So I will write here cube root 9. Then we have minus cube root 6. In denominator, cube root 4 plus cube root 9 plus cube root 6. Now we know that 9 is 3 square and 4 is 2 square. So I can write our numerator and denominator. I will write here this is cube root 2 whole square plus cube root 3 whole square minus cube root 6. We can write cube root 3 times cube root 2 over. Similarly, we will write denominator cube root 2 whole square plus cube root 3 whole square plus cube root 3 times cube root 2. Now I will use substitutions. So let me write cube root 3 equal to a and cube root 2 equal to b. So from here I can write a cube will be equal to 3, and from here we will write b cube equal to 2. So our y value will become, I will write here a square plus b square minus ab, in denominator a square plus b square plus ab. Now we will multiply in the numerator and in the denominator. Here I will multiply with a plus b, and here I will multiply with a minus b. So I have to compensate this. I will write here a minus b over a plus b. Now you can see two identities are there. This is our first identity, a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab, and a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So I can write here numerator is a cube plus b cube and denominator is a cube minus b cube. Then we have a minus b over a plus b. Now from these two equations I can write a cube plus b cube will be 3 plus 2 5, and a cube minus b cube will be 3 minus 2 is 1. So I can write here the value of y 5 over 1 times a minus b over a plus b, or I can divide both sides by 5 and write y over 5 equal to a minus b over a plus b. Now our target expression is 5 minus y over 5 plus y in terms of y. Now I will add 1 to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. So I will write here y over 5 plus 1 equal to a minus b over a plus b plus 1. So this will give us y plus 5 over 5 equal to a minus b plus a plus b over a plus b. So plus and minus b will be over. We will get 2a over a plus b. Now I will subtract 1 to both sides. We will get y over 5 minus 1 equal to a minus b over a plus b minus 1. So I can get y minus 5 over 5 equal to a minus b minus a minus b over a plus b. So plus a and minus a will be over. We will get minus 2b over a plus b. Now you can see 5 minus y is in the numerator. So I will consider this is our equation 1, and if this is our equation 2, then I will divide second equation with first equation. So let me write here y minus 5 over 5 over y plus 5 over 5. This is operation 2 divided by 1. this will be equal to minus 2b over a plus b over 2a over a plus b. Now we can cancel by flipping our denominator's fraction. So I am cancelling directly 5 and 5. This will give us y minus 5 over y plus 5 will be equal to minus b over a. Now multiply both sides by negative 1. This side also. So I will multiply this minus 1 here in the bracket. So I can get 5 minus y over 5 plus y. This will be equal to b over a. Now b was cube root 2, a was cube root 3, and left hand side is our required expression e. So I will write here b was cube root 2, a was cube root 3. Now we will rationalize our denominator, and I can multiply by cube root 9 in the numerator. So in the denominator, so we will be getting cube root of 2 times 9, which is 18, over cube root of 27. So I will write here expression e equal to cube root of 2 times 9 is 18 over cube root 27. We can write 3 cube. Now cube root and cube will be over from the denominator. We will get expression e value cube root 18 divided by 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.